You talk about sustainability, and it really goes beyond just our manufacturing processes and extends to products that last longer. And that's what our product does. I mean, it requires less maintenance, it provides resiliency in whatever the climates. Only Hardie fiber cement exterior products are engineered for climate. They're designed specifically with your climate zone in mind. So if you think about Texas with the Vision House in Austin, our HC10 products help protect homes from the heat, from human conditions, the blistering sun, and more. And for the Queen of Zero, if we think about outside of DC, our HZ5 product line is right at, deals with climates that are freezing temperatures, extreme heat, snow, and ice. So we have the right product for wherever you are. Yeah, I'd just say this. Look, with these innovative products and features, we create personalized design that really reflects the home's unique style, and it's going to be durable and resilient for really the life of the home.